Hello everyone, this is VW PASSAT 2012 replacing DSG Flywheel automatic and replace steering rack, the steering rack on floor and the subframe off complete. There's a car on the run, so remove the drive shaft. You need to remove this drive shaft as well from the driver's side one. And they lose all the bill house bolt, so I'm gonna replace the steering rack, which is bolt going through here, a 13mm bolt. You can access from here as well, just from there access back. Easy thing to do if you not replace the steering rack even, but remove the complete subframe. Extra half an hour job because the gearbox is quite heavy. It's not easy to pick up by hand. And first thing to do, remove the subframe, easy access, and put the gearbox jack down for under the engine. Then I go under the gearbox jack, I put under the gearbox, then straight out. Anyway, I hope the video helped you. Thank you, bye bye. Without subframe, easy to do the job. DPF right there, EGR valve right there. All the bolt for the drive shaft, you can access there with the gun to opening off. EGR valve behind the DPF, and that's the DPF. This car done 220,000 miles, I think, and you have a little leak down there. It's not bad for the mileage. Thank you very much. So the gearbox out now. All the clutch gear inside here. There is a big O-ring. Remove the O-ring, then that's gonna come out. Then all the clutch from inside. Then that's the flywheel. Now that flywheel is problem. It's making rattling too much. And there's inside there you go bearing. The bearing is all damaged. You see it. You need to replace the bearing as well. I got the new bearing for it. So you got the video. This is new flywheel, and that's the new bearing. So you got the video again. And that's the bearing. Anyway, thank you very much. The reason flywheel making noise, this is the reason, that one. Going up and down. Same noise making. Thank you.